we decided both that we would like to have the security agreement, the defense agreement between our two countries, and we want to try to sign it until the end of the year.
Inaasahan bago matapos ang taon, lalagda sa isang defense pact ang Pilipinas at Germany. Sa courtesy call kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa Malacanang, inihayag ni German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius na malapit nang maisapinal ang draft ng kasunduan. Napapaloob sa binubuong kasunduan ang mas malawak na defense cooperation ng dalawang bansa. Kabilang na dito ang pagpapalawig ng training cooperation ng Armed Forces ng Pilipinas at ng Germany. Ayon kay Pistorius, kumbinsido ang Germany na kailangan ng mas matatag na ugnayan sa Pilipinas tungo sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan sa rehiyon.
And it is necessary even more than ever before to work together, to stand together, to support rules-based international order, because all of you, and we experience that every day, that the security of the one region is always at the same time security and stability in the other region.
Nagpasalamat naman si Pangulong Marcos sa suporta ng Germany.
We look always to our partners, allies, for support, and we are grateful for Germany for continuing to support rules-based international law that we all provided from.
Noong Marso, bumisita si PBBM sa Germany at nakapulong si German Chancellor Olaf Scholz. Nagkasundo ang dalawa na palakasin ng defense cooperation, partikular na pagdating sa cyber at maritime domains. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue, Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.